Google has finally integrated AI into Chrome OS. The long-awaited moment has arrived. The Chromebook Plus, a benchmark for premium Chrome OS devices with unique features introduced last year, is receiving an update today that elevates the platform by integrating AI in a more significant way. The objective is to optimize your experience with AI while utilizing Chrome OS for specific tasks. Let's break down the most useful AI features coming to Chromebook Plus with this latest update. Number 1. Gemini on your Chromebook. That's right, Gemini is now available on your Chromebook. Whenever you need assistance with an idea, seeking answers to questions, planning a trip, conducting research, and more, simply tap the Gemini icon on your app shelf and start engaging. If you're a new Chromebook Plus user, you'll receive the Google One AI Premium plan free of charge for 12 months. Afterward, you'll need to subscribe to Gemini for continued access. This plan offers benefits such as Gemini Advance, 2 TB of cloud storage, Gemini integration in Docs, Sheets, Slides, Gmail, and much more. Number 2. Magic Editor in Google Photos. You may have heard of the incredible capabilities of the Magic Editor in Google Photos and how it can transform your photos into perfection. But here's the exciting news. Up until now, this remarkable feature was exclusively limited to phones. Brace yourself, because the Magic Eraser has now made its way to Chromebook Plus. In the Google Photos app, you have the power to choose a photo, unleash the Magic Eraser, and transform your image into a masterpiece. With just a tap or click, you can edit to your heart's content, reposition and resize objects with ease. Let contextual suggestions enhance the lighting and background, breathing new life into your photos. With a few simple clicks, you can reimagine your pictures and create something truly extraordinary. Number 3. Help Me Write. Introducing Help Me Write, an innovative tool that harnesses the power of Google's AI to enhance your writing experience across various platforms. Whether you're working on websites, PDF forms, online applications, or web apps, this tool is here to assist you. Simply right-click or 2-finger tap on the text area and unlock a world of suggestions and tone adjustments tailored to your audience. Help Me Write is not just a writing tool, it's a creative powerhouse. It can generate text from scratch based on a prompt or help you transform existing text into something more formal, concise, or completely reimagined. Number 4. AI-generated wallpapers and video call backgrounds. With the help of AI, you can now conjure up any image you desire or require to adorn your Chromebook wallpaper or video call backgrounds. The possibilities are endless. Included in this AI-powered feature are pre-built prompts designed to assist you in creating backgrounds of various styles, ranging from fun and whimsical to zen and professional. Simply choose your preferred prompt and let Google's AI work its magic, generating a unique image tailored to your selection. Existing Chromebook users fret not. There are new features inbound for you too. Google is launching new features that integrate more of Google across all Chromebooks to help you work better and get things done faster. Simple setup with your Android phone. Set up your new Chromebook with an assist from your phone. Scan a QR code and your phone will share Wi-Fi credentials and your Google account credentials. No need to remember and enter long passwords. One-click access to your Google Tasks. A new built-in view of Google Tasks lets you add or check off to-dos. Just tap on the date in the bottom right corner of your home screen. Access your to-dos from across Google Workspace apps and devices. So if you've added a task from Gmail on your phone, you can pick it up from your Chromebook without missing a beat. Seamless GIF screen recording. With the built-in screen capture tool, you can choose to automatically save screen recordings in GIF format to make your own homemade demos or reaction GIFs. Up-level your gaming with the new Game Dashboard. Game Dashboard lets you control your gaming experience with new features like mapping game controls, so you can play any mobile game and map controls to your keyboard. What can we expect in the year to come for Chromebooks? Read with ease using Gemini. On Chromebook Plus, you can conveniently summarize websites or PDFs with just a right click. But that's not all. Go further by asking follow-up questions and receive AI-generated answers to delve deeper into your reading material. Never lose your place again. Every time you log in, pick up right where you left off. Instead of being overwhelmed by a multitude of windows, a single screen will display all your open windows, tabs, and apps. Suggestions from your other devices on different operating systems will guide you in the right direction. So, if you start reading an article on your Chrome browser on your Android or iOS phone, you can seamlessly continue reading on your Chromebook with just a click. Focus and concentrate more easily with the help of Focus. Simply choose a window of time, select a Google task you want to complete, and pick a YouTube music playlist. Chromebook will automatically activate Do Not Disturb mode and track your progress. This feature is especially useful for those urgent tasks that need to be finished promptly. Experience AI-powered hands-free control with face and gesture tracking. Google is building on the groundbreaking work initiated by Project GameFace and integrating it directly into Chrome OS. Now you can compose and send emails, use apps, and browse the web without relying on the keyboard or external software. Although this project is still in its early stages, it represents a significant step forward in ensuring our products are accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you next time.